Hi guys, it's Laura Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make a plain bagel. Now remember, my bagels are 3 carbs a piece. A regular bagel is 55 carbs. And a regular bagel is made out of like flour and sugar and yeast and all kinds of crap that's just going to make you fat, and that's going to give you diabetes and heart disease and heart attacks. This stuff actually cleans your arteries from the inside out and helps you lose weight. The more you eat, the more you lose. Because everything I have here is keto friendly, gluten free, and diabetic friendly. Don't forget about our $99 meal kits, okay? So we're gonna get started on how to make a bagel. Super simple. Okay, here it is. We're gonna show you how to do it. So, first thing you do is get a quart of egg whites. You're gonna pour it into a bowl. Okay, next thing you're going to do is get an entire, this is 32 ounces of Greek yogurt. I use plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm going to put the whole thing in. There we go. This is how easy it is. And next, we are going to put 3 cups of my skinny bread mix. You can order this at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. So 3 cups of this is going to make 12 of these bagels. You're going to make a dozen of these, okay? So here's how you do it. I'm just going to get my mix. 1, 2, and 3. And all I'm going to do now is mix it. And that's it. That's how easy it is. Guys, I have a recipe book on HealthyTreatsMarket.com with hundreds of recipes, okay? This is how easy all my recipes are. 1 and 2 ingredients, and then bake or microwave or make it in a waffle maker, whatever you want to do. So here's how you make bagels. Now what you're going to do, now what I'm going to do is I got these molds here. Okay, you can get these bagel molds on Amazon. I like the 4 compartment molds because the 4 compartment molds are bigger than the 6 compartment molds. And the 4 compartment molds give you 1 perfect amount of mix. And I spray them. The only thing I'm going to tell you, see how this one kind of got dirty? Hi, cutie pies. I would recommend you put them on a pan like this when you bake them instead of just putting them on the oven, because when I put them on the oven rack, these kind of like got too hot. So put them on a pan or something like that after you're done with them, okay? So now we're gonna put them in the bagel mold. We're gonna put them in the bagel molds. And what I do is I put all of this in 12 evenly, and I got a bunch of littles here, and my little kids usually help me make these bagels. Hey guys, I'm making a video if you guys want to come and organize these bagels for me. And I just try to make sure each one's got the right amount of mix in it. And this way, when I sell them, I know everybody's getting exactly 1 serving. You know what I'm saying, guys? Because with my food, the more you eat, the more you lose. And I just go like this, make it super simple. And this way, once you put the hole in them or flatten them out and stuff, you'll be able to see like if one's got more or one's got less. What is Mom is doing? What happened? My nails are coming off. When you're 3 years old, that's a tragedy. We will fix it. See, guys? All I do is I just organize them. I make sure the little hole shows. See how this one's got a little bit more? So I stick it in this one, and I just do that and make sure. The longer this is out, the thicker it gets. It might even be a little bit easier to work with. I don't know what to tell you. I gotta fly around.
Yeah, what the heck?
Okay, this one's kind of a lot. Okay, and there you go. I just made. Okay, hang on, baby. Mommy's making a video. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna bake it in a pan. I'm gonna stick these on a pan. Okay. Like I said, you don't want them to burn and look ugly like some of mine do. I'm gonna bake it at 350 for about an hour. You can even go longer, okay guys? You don't have to worry about my stuff burning. It really doesn't burn, okay? And then when you take them out, just so you know, because I forgot to say this in the last video, when you take them out, they're going to be soft. They're going to be like mushy, and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, this doesn't feel like a bagel. Yes, it does. Let it sit overnight. Don't refrigerate it. Don't do anything to it. You can either take it out of the mold and just set it in the pan, or you just leave it in the mold and just leave it alone. You let it sit overnight, it'll thicken up and be the exact texture of a bagel by the next day. Okay, guys? And that's how you make plain bagels. And we're gonna make more bagels, guys. We've got blueberry bagels, we've got cinnamon bagels, and we've got garlic bagels. So I'm gonna make a video on all of those, okay? Don't forget, go to healthytreatsmarket.com to place an order. And if you don't live nearby, do that. Place your order online. Free shipping on orders over $99 or more. And if you live nearby, be sure to come to the Davis and Farmers Market. We're open Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. We've got meal kits cheaper than what you can pay to make them. Okay, guys? So you need to come to a meal kit. We've got all kinds of stuff here. We have samples all the time for you to try stuff, okay? And these bagels will end up cooking, and they will look exactly like, oh, this is the cinnamon bagel, but they'll look exactly like this. That's what they're gonna look like, see? And they're nice and dense. You see how dense they are?
Mom.
But that's because they're sitting overnight. Huh, baby?
Are those bagels?
I'm making bagels.
Oh,
What am I making?
bagels.
I'm making bagels. Do you help Mom cook? Tell everybody you help me cook. Tell them I help my mom cook.
I'm gonna help Mom cook.
Yes.
Wait, are you gonna cook right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. All right, guys, we love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting us. I don't even know if you guys know I'm a mom of 11. I have severe heart failure. That's how all this started. That's why the foods I crave, I try to find an alternative for them and make them the healthy way, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.